Friends, I welcome you all to this video. I hope that you have seen the last 12 lectures of mechanical engineering drawing on intersection of solids. Okay. Once again, I welcome you all. So we are going to see some more intersection of solids drawing in this video. And myself, I am Arun Pondian, lecturer of mechanical department, James Polytechnic College. Main content is what are the cases we are going to see. It is square prism standing and square prism penetrating. Okay, so we are going to see the intersection of solids where the square prism stands and square prism penetrates. Okay, is a square prism 30 mm base, sides of 70 mm axis is completely penetrated by another square prism of 25 mm sides and 70 mm axis horizontally. Both axes intersect and bisect each other. All faces of prisms are equally inclined to vertical plane. Draw projections showing curves of intersection. Okay, so there are two. One is square prism and another one is also square prism. One base is 30 mm and another base is 25 mm. One axis is 70 mm and the second one axis is 70 mm. The data is given in this subject, okay, in this problem. So we are going to take it separately and just mention it. Square prism number 1. The sides are 30 mm and the axis is 70 mm. In the same way, square prism 2, the sides are 25 mm and the axis is 70 mm. So both axes are same, only sides are, there are difference 5 mm. Okay, one square prism sides is 30 mm and another square prism sides are 25 mm. See this is the square prism. Okay, so how the square prism look like? So this is the square prism. So there are two square prisms. One stands and another one penetrates. Okay, so if you see the another one, this is the another square prism. So as usual in the sum, it is mentioned that the red color, imagine the red color as is standing and the blue color as it penetrates. Okay, so now if it penetrates, it will go. Okay, so now when it penetrates, the picture will look like this. Okay, when it penetrates each other, the picture will look like this. Okay, we are going to draw, for example, we are going to draw we are going to draw this image and this and also this. Okay, so we are going to mention this three diagrams, three portions here, so we can understand it clearly. Okay, and now we are going to see the drawing, how to draw the intersection of solids diagram of prism stands and prism penetrates. Okay, draw a straight line and then x-axis and y-axis, and then the square prism, name it, and then straight line, and then just look at this video, you can understand. If you go step by step, okay, how it is drawing on the video, if the same way, if you will draw, you will get some ideas. Okay, you can draw it very clearly, and you can also understand after this what steps will come, so that for other problem it will be easy for you. Okay, and then okay, so if you see here is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, same way from here the line goes, so the 1 dash, from 2 and 4 this line is going, so 2 dash and 4 dash. From 3 this line goes, so that it is 3 dash. So we are drawing only 30 mm sides and 70 mm, that square prism only we are drawing. Okay, so this is the angle 45 degree, and then straight lines from top view and merge and bring it up to the side view and start to draw the side view of square prism. Okay, and name is 4 double dash, 1 double dash, 3 double dash, because of, if you see 4, this is goes as a 4. Okay, if it is 1 and 3 is joined together, it goes center, so that it is 1 double dash and 3 double dash, and 2 goes from here to there, so that it is 2 double dash. Okay, so one prism is over with the 30 mm sides and 70 mm axis. Now we are going to start to draw the second prism, which is 25 mm base sides and 70 mm axis. Name it in alphabet: A double dash, B double dash, C double dash and D double dash. And it goes one by one, it goes to the front view. And always you know it is 70 mm axis, and keep from center this side 35. So this is center, this side 35, this side 35, and this calculator will be here regarding this calculation, and this 35 from center to here 35 and there 35, and connect it, you will get this object. Okay, and next down, if you see here that line is drawn, and next this is going. Okay, and next, so now same way, you know this end. Okay, from here to here, and then from here to here. So this is the distance. This is called 25 mm, and this length is 70 mm. So based on this center, draw the diagram. Okay, and then now every diagram is over. We are going to mention the points, and we are going to finish this drawing. Okay, so this line is going upstairs. If you see here, it is going, then it's going here, and the point is mentioned, and this point and this point. Okay, and same way here also. Then now draw the line. And this side. Okay, so this is the finished. Okay, till the curvature of the intersection curvature has been drawn. Okay, intersection of curve we have drawn. Okay, so till here you can, then after that put the dotted lines, and we have taken the reference books from Mechanical Engineering Drawing, Vishwajit Ranjan, Deepak Kumar, which is written by. Okay, and the second book is Machine Drawing, which is written by P.S. Gill. Chapter Square Prism Standing and Square Prism Penetrating. On the next class, I will teach you the cylinder standing and triangular prism penetrating. Okay, I will meet you in the next class. So same with the same topic, intersection of solids, and we are going to see another drawing on